Waterloo Region is a community of makers. Come celebrate this creativity at Maker Expo on May 30th and May 31st, 2020. Maker Expo is a showcase of makers, artists, and organizations who create amazing things in celebration of the do-it-yourself spirit. We believe we are all makers. We are bakers, fixers, gardeners, sewists. We are coders, painters, potters, woodworkers. We are entrepreneurs, novelists, inventors, and robot fighters. At Maker Expo, there is room for all sorts of makers who will inspire you, educate you, entertain, and delight you. Our team has successfully run 4 Maker Expo events, growing each year to include more makers and interactive exhibits. Let's make 2020 our biggest and best event yet. We need you to donate to this GoFundMe campaign and help keep Maker Expo an entirely free event that also supports makers. Your donations will directly fund artists and makers to provide hands-on experiences, take-home activities, and interactive art installations designed specifically for Maker Expo. We have awarded exhibitor grants ranging from $200 to $3,000, totaling over $35,000 in the last 4 years. Our organizing team volunteers hundreds of hours to create Maker Expo. We do it because we're makers ourselves, and we're passionate about bringing together the makers of Waterloo Region to inspire, connect, and build a stronger community. So please, help keep this event growing. Attend, volunteer, exhibit, and donate.
Hello, and thank you for watching our video. My name is Cam, and I'm the sponsorship coordinator for Maker Expo 2020. We really need your help. With less than 4 months to go before our show, we are far short of our fundraising goal. By the end of March, we need to have raised at least $10,000 more to be able to put on the show that we have been planning for over a year. It costs approximately $5 a person, maybe $20 a family, to host the show and to rent all the facilities and to rent all the equipment and to pay for all the consumed materials that go into teaching you about all the different things that you learn at Maker Expo. We don't want to have to charge at the door. We want to make sure that the event stays totally free, free to attend, free to participate, free to park. We want to make sure there are no barriers to entry for our show. So if you can donate, please consider it. Please consider donating soon and as much as you're willing. $5 a person, $20 a family would be phenomenal. Now, if you work for an organization who might consider sponsoring us, we have packages of for sponsors, $500 and up, lots of really great perks. If that's at all interesting, please share this information, share this video, share this GoFundMe campaign with whoever needs to see it, and email us at sponsors@makerexpo.ca. We look forward to seeing you at the show, and we really hope that we can put on the best show possible. Let's make 2020 the best year yet. Thank you, and we'll see you there.